CAPSA Healthcare is pleased to introduce you to the Trio Computing Workstation. In the next few minutes, we'll introduce you to Trio's intelligent features and workflow solutions that will help you save time and enhance care delivery at the bedside. To begin, power on your Trio workstation. To power on or off your cart, PC, monitor, and any other devices plugged into the cart's power system, press the power button on the lower back side of the cart base. To help you keep track of the cart's battery level throughout your shift, an indicator on the touchscreen illustrates the percentage of remaining battery life. We recommend that you plug your cart in whenever possible, so it is always ready and available for use. When not plugged in, the power cord can be stowed using the convenient storage hook located on the rear column behind the work surface. Ergonomic features. The Trio Computing Workstation is personally adjustable for optimal user comfort. Trio features a retractable keyboard tray, mouse pad, and bidirectional work surface. The keyboard tray can be pulled out and adjusted for maximum ergonomic comfort when working in either a seated or standing position. To adjust the keyboard tray, tilt the front of the tray up to unlock the mechanism. Pull it out. Use the rotating knob on the keyboard mount to adjust the tilt of the keyboard tray as desired. The mouse surface can be pulled out for use and stowed when not in use, and an integrated mouse holder keeps the mouse close at hand. To return the keyboard tray to a stowed position, tilt the front of the tray up, then adjust downward and push in to stow. Use the expandable work surface when more workspace is needed. The Trio monitor mount offers a range of adjustability. The monitor pivots 180 degrees from side to side and slides up or down to your ideal reading level. Before walking with the cart, pivot the monitor to the side to provide a clear sightline. Through a combination of premium casters, a slimmer, lighter profile, and in-stride steer assist, Trio is a breeze to maneuver. In-stride steer assist is designed to aid you in moving the cart in a straight line through hallways and when traveling longer distances throughout your facility. It is not intended for use in patient rooms or short trips between patient rooms. While the cart is stationary, activate in-stride by squeezing the trigger beneath the left handle. The in-stride activation screen displays on the touchscreen for a few seconds. The in-stride icon is displayed on the right side of the title bar while active. Deactivate in-stride once you've reached your destination by squeezing the trigger again. As best practice, before pushing the cart, raise or lower the work surface to an ideal height, with elbows bent at 90 degrees and forearms level. When moving the cart, keep both hands on the front handles. To keep your cart stationary and locked in place, press down on the brake tab, located on the casters. To release, lift the tab to unlock casters. The Trio workstation offers a 16-inch range of height adjustment. If your cart is equipped with manual lift, press the lever beneath the right handle to adjust the height of the work surface. For carts with electronic lift, touch and hold the up or down lift arrow on the touchscreen to raise or lower the work surface to the desired height. Individual users who are logged into electronic lift carts may set sitting and standing height presets for their personal comfort. To set height presets, first use the up and down arrow keys to adjust the work surface to a desired height. Then, touch and hold the preset button for approximately 5 seconds to store the preset position in the memory. Your saved work surface height presets are stored in your user profile and will follow you to any cart that you log into. Once height presets are saved, simply press the standing or sitting button to move the cart to your personal height setting. To stop the travel of the cart height, press the Stop Now button displayed on the touchscreen. Touchscreen shortcuts. An intuitive control center with touchscreen shortcuts helps users to easily control their cart. To log into your Trio cart, enter your assigned PIN code. If your cart is equipped with Tap and Go with single sign-on, simply swipe your card to log in. Task lighting is available to enhance workstation use and minimize visual strain in darkened patient areas. To operate, touch the desired lighting button located on the touchscreen. Select a button to illuminate your work surface, keyboard, ground lighting, or all task lights simultaneously. Touch the button or buttons again to turn lighting off. Task lighting can be customized for intensity and brightness. When logged into the cart, select the cog button on the left-hand side of the touchscreen to access the Preferences menu. Scroll through the Preference menu to the lighting intensity setting and modify as desired using the slide rules. When finished, touch the Home button to return to the home screen. New notification lights, which can be set in a choice of colors and brightness levels, can be used to identify a cart assigned to a specific area, communicate Do Not Disturb while administering meds, or help locate a cart that may require IT support. To assist with bedside calculations, Trio offers an onboard calculator. Touch the Calculator button on the touchscreen to access. To facilitate simple and clear communication with IT support and other departments, Trio allows you to send messages from the cart. To send a message, first check that the workstation's wireless connection is active. Look for the Wi-Fi icon in the upper right corner of the touchscreen. Press the Outbound Message button to access the messaging screen. Use the drop-down arrows to select who should receive the message and what needs attention. If additional information is necessary, touch the Add Optional Comment window to display an on-screen keyboard to include additional information in the message. When finished, touch Enter. The Alerts button, or bell-shaped icon, is used to access notifications sent to the cart user. If a yellow triangle is displayed next to the icon, the user has received an alert to be read immediately. A green circle next to the icon indicates notifications received that can be read at the user's convenience. Press the button to access the notification list and select to read. Select the Back button to return to the home screen. To assist users, Trio offers a help menu to access onboard help videos and feature summaries. Select the Help button to enter the menu. Then press from the list of icons to learn more about each feature. Select the Play button to display short help videos about selected cart features, then choose a video to watch on screen. The Tools button, located on the left side of the touchscreen, is used to access additional information and features of the cart. Touch the Tools button and select a feature to access it. Helpful tools include a timer, conversion tool, cart and battery information. If your cart is equipped with drawers, they are accessible when a valid PIN code is entered or card is swiped. The drawers may be programmed to relock automatically within a specified period of time, or can be relocked by pushing the Drawer Lock button on the touchscreen. The Trio Computing Workstation is designed for easy cleaning, with raised edges on the work surface to retain spills. Wipe the cart down with your standard approved cleaning solutions or wipes. We also recommend you follow your facility's infection control protocol. Our job is to help you do yours, and Trio is built to support you every day. Its ergonomic design, simple functionality, and reliable performance provide you with a proven point-of-care cart that you can count on as your partner in providing superior patient care. Contact CAPSA Healthcare for additional product information, or if we can assist in optimizing the Trio Computing Workstation to meet your needs.